Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some improvements that we've made to the MakerPipe Connect community so you guys can get the most out of it and see what we've been working on over the last couple weeks as it's been down. And you can see here, if you go to the MakerPipe website, you can click the community tab just like before, or you can type in connect.makerpipe.com as the URL, and you'll land on the new homepage as you can see here. Looks a little different than before. And you can sign in using the existing Connect account that you already had, or you can sign up to create a new one. And here on the home page, you can see posts just like you could before. Like I said, they look a little bit differently. Now you can see two at a time and scroll just like you could forever. What's really exciting is we have this all section where you can view all the posts that have been shared recently, or you can see this Your Joined Spaces. And as you can see here, there's no posts to show here at the moment, and I'll explain why in a second. It's really exciting. But first, I want to show you a couple of other things. So we actually split the community and basically just kind of organize stuff in different ways. So basically, if you go to Build Resources, you can see there's a few different things here: Hacks and Solutions, Learn How To, and Get Help. Hacks and Solutions just has some posts from the community that people have shared, just solving specific problems that they've had. And then underneath that, you'll see some of the MakerPipe hack videos, or this should be pretty much all of the MakerPipe hack videos from the last couple of years. And we'll continue to add more as we continue to make videos and showcase different solutions. But now you have a place that you can go to on the website to find them. And then if you go back to Build, you can see the Learn How To section. And similar to the Hack section, this just has how-to videos from the MakerPipe YouTube channel, how to cut conduit, how to bend conduit, all those types of things. Just wanted to give you guys an easy place to find them. Here they are. And then last but not least, in the Build Resources section is the Get Help. So if you guys have a question about just building in general, which cutter to use, just all kinds of different stuff like that, you can go here and you can search to see if someone else has already asked and see if you can find the answer, or you can post and create a new question and, then ask whatever you need to. And, we at MakerPipe or somebody in the community can answer and help you figure things out. But that's the Build section, Build Resources section of the community. And then we've organized other things into different hobbies and interests. We know that everybody uses MakerPipe and Conduit for all sorts of different things, and you're not necessarily passionate about building with Conduit and connectors. You might be passionate about gardening, and you use MakerPipe and Conduit to help your gardening needs. And that's the same for all kinds of other hobbies, as we've learned from the community. So we basically organized everything based on all those different things that we know people are into. So we've got gardening, camping, and overlanding, and there's a ton here that we've added. And if you think outside the box and you don't really have, a hobby or anything that your project fits into, maybe you've made something super unique, then there's an outside the box section, and you can go and post in there. And really, you can post anywhere that you want in any of these sections, just whatever one might apply to your project. You might have built a sunshade, but it might be for your home, so you build it or you share it in the home improvement section. But if you built it for plants, maybe you'll share it in the gardening section. It's really up to you guys where you post it, but you can go into these different sections and you'll see some different content that we've rounded up, whether it's videos or blogs or customer interviews that we've done with community members in the past. And then below that, you'll see all of the builds that have been shared related to gardening that are in the gardening section. You can also post here so that you'll click this to create your post, and then you'll see that it posts in the gardening section. And that's why we've kind of separated everything, is so you guys can post in these different spaces about the things that you're into, and you can talk with other people about the things that you're excited about. And, it'll be within that space or in that category, so it'll be a little bit easier to find things that you're interested in. When you create a discussion or a post, you'll see this here, and you can add a title, you can add text, and then you can add the pictures and everything like normal. You can add, videos or whatever it is that you're wanting to share about your project. You can post that all here. And then you can add tags if you want. So let's say you build a trellis, then you can tag the trellises as you can see here. And you can also search and then add your own tag if you want, depending on what your build is. And the reason that's helpful is because you'll see here that you can filter post. So here you could just scroll and see all the gardening builds that have been shared, or you can filter based on things that you want to see. Like if you want to see trellis ideas, you can click trellises, and you'll see all the trellises that have been shared over the years, which is really exciting and makes it easier for you guys to find specific things that you want to find. And right now we just have a few different filters here. We'll continue to add more and showcase different things in these filters so you guys can find stuff easier. But for now, as with all of this, we've just been making small improvements so it's easier for you guys to find resources and things that are helpful to you. What's really exciting though, let's say you don't care about gardening, you don't care about any other hobby or anything listed in the community, you just want to see things related to sports and recreation. So you can go to this space, and then like I said, you'll see the content that we've rounded up here, and then you'll see all the posts related to whatever the hobby is. But then underneath each heading, you'll see this join button. So if I click join, and then now it gives me the option to leave, which you can join or leave at any time. And you've joined that section or that space. So whenever you go to the home page here, you can be on the All tab, and you can see all the builds that have been shared, and you can scroll pretty much forever. Just click show more, and you'll keep seeing builds forever and ever. There's been thousands of posts in the community, which is really cool. But if you click your join spaces here, you'll only see the things in the space that you've joined. So sports and recreation, maybe you want to be in gardening and sports and recreation. So then you can join those two groups. You can join all of them or some of them or none of them. If you want to come here and see all the builds, you can. But really just wanted to make it easier for you guys to find the builds that you're interested in and get ideas and things quickly and be able to sort through all the MakerPipe builds that people share and find things that are helpful to you. And then also give you a place to talk to other gardeners, because you can go in this gardening space, and since each of the posts are kind of contained in this space in a way, you can, post and ask questions about gardening. You don't have to worry about it, going to the main feed or, kind of getting in the way of other things. You can go in here and talk to other people about gardening specific things. And we encourage that. We want you guys to go in here and not just share your MakerPipe and conduit builds. Of course, we love seeing your builds, but, ask where people get plant starts or where people supply trellis netting. We want you guys to be able to get as much helpful information all in one place, and we want you guys to be able to talk to each other about the different things that you're passionate about and get ideas. And that's really what this is meant to be. And we just made some small improvements. These are just some updates that we've been working on, and we're really excited about what we've done so far, and there's all kinds of cool stuff we want to do down the road. And if you guys have any feedback or suggestions, definitely let us know. Like I said, this is meant to be for you, and it's meant to be helpful for you guys. And so if you guys have any feedback or suggestions, we would greatly appreciate it. Feel free to comment down below or email us, or of course post in the community and share your different feedbacks and suggestions, and we can continue to improve this and make it better for you guys. Thanks everybody for all you do. We really appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next video.